Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today I'm going to be making a very healthy side dish called broccoli with cauliflower charred in the oven. So it's very simple to do. The reason why I choose to do the frozen version is just because if I'm hectic with the schedule, I forget to do the fresh cauliflower or the broccoli. It goes bad in the fridge. This way, with it being frozen, I have the leniency to make it whenever I want to without it going to waste. So what you're going to need is broccoli, cauliflower, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some extra virgin olive oil. And you simply drizzle the olive oil onto the veggies real quick. And you're going to go ahead and do a quick salt and pepper. You want your oven to be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While you do this process, preheat it to that. Some pepper. And we're going to go ahead and do the garlic powder. And this is optional, completely optional, but it just adds so much more flavor. With clean hands, you just want to toss it around and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's nice and charred. We'll be right back with the final results. Alright, our charred vegetables are done. Look at the broccoli and the cauliflower. They came out great. In the last 5 minutes, I put it under broil, and it really gives this nice crispiness to it, and I couldn't really eat bowls of this stuff. It is so good and healthy for you. I hope you guys try this. Come back if you do and let me know what you thought about it. Take care until next time.